Do you send your PBN links to main pages or tiered building? It depends what kind of PBNs I'm buying, right? So if I'm using quality PBNs, or if I'm using my own private PBN, then I would feel safe linking to my own website. However, I would use them in small. I'm not a big PBN builder anymore. I keep it pretty minimal. I will use them, but pretty small numbers, low numbers overall, like less than 5% of my backlink profile, maybe even less than that. And yeah, I wouldn't, if it's a good quality PBN, I wouldn't mind shooting it directly at my website. That's completely fine. But I'm pretty natural with it. I'll link to my homepage a lot. I'll use natural anchor text. A lot of people, they'll buy a PBN link or PBN links, and they'll send them all to their target page, like, in an inner page, maybe it's a service page or something, and they'll be using exact match anchor text. So they're basically taking the most unnatural type of link, and then they are making it even more unnatural by, repeatedly hammering the same inner page they want to rank using exact match anchors, all this stuff. And that's not something I would ever do. So yeah, I try to behave very conservatively when I'm using PBNs these days. Also, yeah, you can definitely use them for tiered link building. Also, if you're doing like parasite SEO, I wouldn't mind. I'll definitely blast a parasite SEO post with like low quality PBN links. That's just fine. For tiered link building, what I would avoid doing is tiering like everything you have with these PBN links. But if you want to boost like a couple of your links and do some tiered link building with some like low quality PBNs, you could definitely do that. Or like your main like social profiles, like your Facebook page or YouTube channel, stuff like that. You can boost these as well. But yeah, I'm not really like super big on tiered link building overall. I pretty much just do it for like maybe like the main social profiles. Maybe if I get like one or two links that are like really powerful and I want to juice them up even more, can do that. But yeah, good PBN links go straight to the site in low numbers. If you want to use more PBNs, I'd maybe think about doing tiered link building. Or if they're low quality PBN links, then definitely do not send them directly to your website. You're just asking for trouble at that point. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Be sure to check the links below for more info on this topic, as well as other cool stuff like SEO case studies, our Facebook community, and our link building services. And like always, please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thanks, and happy ranking.